We detected an unusual trade worth $4.1 million on CNX Resources Corporation, formerly known as Consol Energy, stock ticker CNX, on the last trading day, October 11th, when the stock hit a new high. And what's also very unusual about this is that CNX reports earnings on October 24th, in about 10 days from now. And so in this video, we will analyze this unusual option activity to find out how this wealthy investor is trading CNX Resources for earnings. Are they buying and going bullish, or selling and going bearish? Because as we all know, the rich have more access to information, sometimes leaked insider information, such as earnings reports, to make better financial decisions. No wonder the rich get richer. Now, as you can see from the charts here, the stock is very overbought on the RSI technical indicator. So this increases the risk on this unusual trade, along with the earnings event coming up next week. And so without further ado, let's dive into the data as usual. Now, as we can see here on the options time and sales tape, we had 19,468 contracts being traded on October 11th for these April 17 options at the 40 strike calls. We can see the price that was being paid here, $2.15. We need to multiply by 100 in order to get the correct pricing, since each option represents 100 shares of stock. And so each of these call options cost $215. And since there was a total of 19,468 contracts, we multiply that out and we get a total trade that costs $4.1 million. But keep in mind, this is a higher risk trade with earnings coming up in about 10 days. And so if you want better trade ideas with lower risk and higher probability of profit, then make sure to go to our website.
Visit www.unusualoption.com to join our membership and start your journey to a financial success with a partner you can trust.
So let's analyze this trade to find out more. And so when we take a look at the option chain for the April 17 options, we can see at the 40 strike calls, there is a total open interest of 32,000. So quite a significant amount of contracts at this strike price for the April 17 options. And based on our analysis, they were buying these call options, which is why we also have the same position here, using position sizing to manage our risk. Green means buy, because that is what they did based on our analysis, where they were buying these 40 strike calls for the $2.15 that we had just analyzed. And we can see here when we analyze it on the risk profile profit loss graph, where the x-axis is the share price of the CNX Resources, y-axis is the profit loss, note the zero break even, anything below that is a negative loss. So you can see that currently trading right here, as the stock goes down, it becomes a negative loss. As the stock goes up, these options become more positive gain, because this is a long bullish trade using options, and we can confirm it on the Greeks here. We have a positive delta trade. And so this wealthy investor is going long bullish using these options that expire in April, despite the fact that the technical indicator is showing very overbought conditions. And so if you follow technical analysis, you may not want to buy at this time. But if you follow the data of unusual option activity, like how we do, then you may consider this as a potential trading opportunity. But as we mentioned, this is a higher risk trade in comparison to the trades that we share on our website using this type of data analysis because of the earnings coming up. But as long as we diversify with higher quality stock picks based on this type of data analysis, when there is no earnings events, then we can become more profitable in the long term. So if you want more stocks wealthy investors are trading for your portfolio diversification based on this type of data analysis, but with stronger data, then go to our website. We'll put a link at the top here where you can gain access to better trade ideas. Let us know in the comments below. What do you think will happen to CNX Resources for earnings? Will the stock continue to make higher highs, or will it pull back down? As usual, please smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't, take care, and have a wonderful day.